Welcome ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to another video on WordPress Scoop. Our website nowadays is the face of the organization, and it's ever more important that we do it right. Today, we are going to talk about creating a specific type of website, and that is a real estate website. We are going to take you from opening your own web browser to publishing your own website. Like always, we are not going to use any coding in our tutorial. Before we start, I would ask you to like, share and subscribe to WordPress Scoop. And to learn more, click on the blog link in the description below. So, what are we waiting for? Let's put our learning caps on and let's get started. Now, to create our real estate website, first of all, what we do is we go to www.wix.com, wix.com. We put the URL on the address bar and go to this particular website. Upon landing on this particular website, what we do is we go to Get Started. We click on that. On clicking on Get Started, we are taken to this particular web page when we need to click on Sign Up. On clicking on sign up, we need to put in details like our email address and our password. Let's put our details in. There, we have put in all the details that were required. We click on sign up. On clicking on sign up, we are taken to this particular web page where we need to answer a few questions. Wix is going to understand the experience that we have and the kind of website that we actually want to create on Wix, and accordingly will recommend a service and will also recommend themes and other features. So to do that, what we do is we click on Let's Do It. Now, in this particular web page, we need to answer a couple of questions. For whom do we actually want to create this website? Now let's look at the options. We can create for ourselves, a client, or a company we are working for, or maybe someone else. So in this case, we are going to create a website for ourselves or for our business maybe. So we click on that. The next question appears. Now the next question that you need to answer is that what type of organization are we looking at? Are we looking at a business, an online store, a music, a designer maybe? As we're looking at the real estate, it's a business, right? So we're going to click on a business. The next question that we actually need to answer is, what experience do we have when it comes to website building? Now, let's say that we do not really have any experience. We are going to start afresh. So we're going to click on never done this before. So the next web page appears. Now, there are two options that are made available by Wix. One is Wix ADI and the other is Wix Editor. Now, what's the difference between Wix ADI and Wix Editor? The difference between the two is in Wix ADI, it's a very smart interface provided by Wix where you can simply use drag and drop or maybe some selections on previously made templates, and you can absolutely build your website from ground up without any knowledge of website building. So you can do it right away. If you do not have any kind of exposure when it comes to web development, you can absolutely select this. The Wix Editor is a bit more advanced compared to with the Wix ADI. In this case, the interface is far more customizable and you get a lot of apps when it comes to the Wix Editor. But today, what we are going to go for is the Wix ADI. Now, let me tell you, if you have a very good understanding of Wix and you get to learn quite a bit, at a later point of time, you can absolutely switch from Wix ADI to Wix Editor. In that case, you will be provided a plethora of customizable tools. You will be provided with a lot more themes and a lot to do. So as of now, we're going to select Start Now on Wix ADI. Upon clicking on that, we are presented with this particular web page where we need to put in the type of business that we actually want. Now let's say that the type of business that we actually want is a real estate, of course. Let's say that we are a real estate agency maybe. So we click on that and we are provided with this particular web page where we actually need to select the features that we actually want on our website. Let's say that we need an Instagram feed, say that we need bookings maybe for house visits. Other than that, let's put out a subscribe form where clients can actually put in their details so that they get access to our newsletters. Other than that, let's select our blog. Maybe we need a video live stream, or maybe we can sell through our videos. Other than that, let's say that we can have pricing plans. We can have a forum where our clients can discuss regarding any issue maybe, or we can directly talk with the clients in our forum. Other than that, let's say we want a band in town maybe, or we can actually use some reservations, and let's select groups so that people can discuss with each other regarding real estate maybe. So we have selected the features that we actually want. We click on next. On clicking on next, we are taken to this particular web page where you actually need to name your website. You need to name your business. So we are going to name it Equinox Builders. Maybe that's a name. So we click on next and we are provided with this particular web page where we need to put in the URL of an existing website. So let's say that is our fictional website, and after that we click on next. After this, we are presented with this particular web page where we need to put in our logo, our name, our email address, our postal address, phone number, and all other details. So let's put in our logo first. The video, we are choosing the logo that we had created there. Other than that, we are going to put in our address there. Other than that, we are going to put in our phone number there. We have filled in all the details and we click on next. In this interface, what we need to do is we need to select a theme. Let's have a look at the themes. Over here, you will be able to have a look at the color schemes that the website is going to follow. As you can see, you are able to see the color scheme over here. You are able to see the color scheme over here, and you can see it right over here. So in this case, what I'm going to select is the high-rise one. It has a really good color combination, so let's select that. After selecting that, we hit continue. Now you are provided with the option of creating your website based on the logo that you have submitted. But in this case, I'm going to skip that part and I'm going to stick to the theme that has been provided to us by Wix. So let's skip that. After the previous page, you will be presented with this particular web page. In this web page, what you need to select is the type of layout that you want your website to follow. Now, this is a dark theme, this is a light theme, and this is again a light theme. When it comes to a real estate web page, a minimalistic design is really what really works out. So I'm going to select this particular design, but if you really want to select any other design, you're absolutely welcome to do so. And let me tell you that this is not a hard and fast or anything. You are absolutely welcome to change a design or change a theme at a later point of time if you really feel like changing. So as I am going to select this particular layout, I'm going to select use this design. Now in this particular interface, what we need to do is we need to add pages to our website. Our home page has already been created, but we need other pages as well. We need an about page, of course. We need a renting page if we really require it. Other than that, let's say we may want to let our customers know about how to buy a property. We might want to let the customers know about our team. We might want the customers to actually fill out a form, so contact. Other than that, we might want an FAQ page maybe, or we might want a testimonial page, and yeah, that really looks great. So yeah, we have selected all the pages that we actually require. At a later point of time, if you feel like you need to add more pages, you are absolutely welcome to do so, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to do that. So after selecting all the pages that you actually require, we hit edit site. There, our website has been created. Have a look at how beautiful this website actually looks like. See, we can actually put in different types of images that we might have when it comes to home building, and we can, this is the Instagram handle. You can actually, whatever you post on Instagram handle is going to be embedded on this particular section of the web page. So this website looks great, doesn't it? Now let's give you a small site tour. What are we dealing with? Let's first have a look at the sitemap. To have a look at the sitemap, you click right over here and you will be able to see the pages that have been created automatically. You can see that we have a home page, of course, we have a blog post, we have a plans and pricing page, we have a page for members, groups, and if we have a page for buying and regarding our team, we have all that. And if you click on that particular page, you will be taken to that particular page. Other than that, we have this add button where you can add sections to a page. You can add a completely new web page to your website. You can even add apps. Other than that, when it comes to the sections, you can change the theme of your website. You can change it to whatever you want to. We had selected high rise, so that particular theme has been selected. If you want to, you can select the retro theme, timeless theme, and whatever. You have a lot of themes to choose from. Other than that, you can change the color of your website, you can change the fonts, you can change animations, and you can absolutely change page designs. Other than that, as you can see, we have another tab called manage apps, where you can change settings regarding groups, regarding plans and pricing, blogs, bookings, video reservations, and everything. You can absolutely do that. Other than that, when it comes to this particular icon, you will be able to see what your website looks like on a desktop and even on a mobile. To have a look at what it looks like on a mobile, you just need to click on the mobile and you will be shown what it actually looks like. So there, this is what our website actually looks like when it comes to a mobile phone. Other than that, if you require any kind of help on the way on Wix's side, you can absolutely click on that and you will be provided with a huge FAQ list where you can actually find help. And if you need any other help, please do refer to our blog. Please do visit our site www.biorev.com. Other than that, we can also visit site setting, where you have settings for your dashboard, site history, and regarding connecting domains, and regarding being found on Google and everything. You have all the details that are presented right over here. Other than that, you can actually click on the preview button to have a look at what your website actually looks like on a browser. Now, this is what it looks like on a browser in a mobile phone, and when it comes to a desktop, this is what it looks like. Then, this is what it looks like. So we go back to edit site. Okay, so now that you have understood this interface, let's go ahead and try to understand how to edit a section. For example, when it comes to your home page, you would like to change these services that you actually provide. You may not be providing property showing or full consultation or property appraisal. You might want to change these particular services. Now, how do you do that? Now, how do you change these pricings? How do you change the timing? How do you change everything that you can show, that you can see right here? Now, to do that, what you do is you click on this manage button, like so. When you open the management button, what happens is you can edit your service according to your requirement. Now, how do you edit those services? Now, to edit those services, for example, suppose I want to change this particular service. What do? I click on this particular service, like so, and we get to see this interface. In this interface, we can change and we can customize and we can edit our service according to our requirement. You can see that if I really not want to show property showing, maybe I want to put in property visits maybe. Other than that, if you want to change your image, you're absolutely welcome to do so. You can just click on this particular button, update image. If you click on that, an interface will open so that you can change your image. So this is the interface from where you can change any particular image, and you can also keep all your assets uploaded onto this particular file manager. If you want to upload any media, just click on that button, add that media, and the media or the image, the video or anything will be uploaded to this particular file manager, and you will be able to add that particular image to your website with the help of this button called add to page. Let's add this particular logo as we have it right over here. We click on add to page, and there our image has been added, and it will, if I click on the save button, it will be saved and it will be implemented on my website. Now let me tell you, you can edit other details as well. You can change the duration. For maybe the process will take more than 1 hour. Maybe it will take 1 hour 30 minutes. Maybe I want to change the buffer time. Maybe it will be 15 minutes or something. Maybe I just want to keep the service free. Maybe visiting a house, I really do not want to charge the client any amount of money if I want to show him or her my house, right? So in that case, I change this from fixed price to custom price, and I just write free. If you want to add any kind of address, if you want to implement any kind of video conference or conferencing or anything, you are absolutely welcome to do so. So I have made the required changes, and what I would like to do now is hit save. There, my first service has been updated. Now if I want to go back and have a look at my website, as you can see, the service has been changed, the hour has been changed, and also the time that is required, the time that is actually required to complete the whole process has also been changed. The pricing has also, according to what you can see, has also been changed. So this is how you can change each and every section of your website. Now let me tell you that this process can be repeated for each and every page of your website. For example, suppose you want to go to buying, maybe you want to explain how you actually want your client to follow the home buying process. So in this page, what you would like to do is, suppose over here you can see that there is only one section. So what we would like to do is, we would like to add a section right over here. Now to add a section, what we do is just click on the plus sign, and you will be provided with so many templates to choose from. Now suppose I like this particular template, I add that particular template, and the template gets added. If you want to change any particular of these postings, you're absolutely welcome to do so. What you just need to do is just hover your mouse right over there and hit edit, and you will be taken to an interface from where you can make each and every change according to your liking. Now that you have learned how to edit your website, how to add images, how to add different components, what we are going to do is, we are going to create a page from ground up. We're going to add pages, we're going to add components, and we're going to add everything in that page. So to do that, what we do is, first of all, we go to this add, go down, and we click on page. So we add a page. Here you can see so many templates that you can choose from. Whichever you feel like is more suited to what you need, you can select that particular property. Other than helping buyers to choose their homes, maybe you actually help sellers to sell their homes. So in that case, maybe we would like to add a page where the selling process will be explained properly. So what I would like to do is, I would rather go for maybe this page or maybe this one. So to add the page, what I do is just click on that particular template, and congratulations, your page has been added. So after this, what you do is, we have created this page, of course. What we do is, we create another section in that particular page. You can absolutely edit whatever is written over here, and to edit, of course, you can just click on the edit button like so, and you can change the description and everything to whatever you want to, according to your liking and according to your requirement. So after you're done with that, you just click on the cross button right over there, and everything gets saved. Now to add a different section, just like I told you, what you need to do is just hit the plus button right over there, and another section gets added. You just need to choose from this plethora of templates that are present right over here. If you get what you like, you just click on that. Suppose I want the person to submit me a form, maybe. So I click on that, and of course the section gets added with a beautiful form. You don't really need to think a lot and do a lot of brainstorming when it comes to editing in Wix. So we have done and we have completed a page from ground up. And if you really want to edit anything that is there in this particular web page, what you just need to do is hover your mouse right over the section that you actually want to edit and go to the edit section, just like so. If you want to edit the form, just hover your mouse on the edit on the form and you will get this, and you click on edit and this dashboard actually appears and you can change whatever you want to. Now suppose if I want to change the first name, I click on this particular gear sign and I can just edit whatever is written right over there. After we are done with whatever we wanted to do, just hit the cross button and it gets saved automatically. Now that we are done with how to add pages, and now that we have completely designed our website according to our liking, let's learn how to publish our website for everyone on the globe to see. Now, to publish your website, there's a very big button on the right hand upper corner, as you can see, publish. So we click on that first of all. As you can see, we are offered to choose our domain. Now, as of now, as we are not very sure about if we want to make any other changes to our website, what we do is we keep our Wix website free. What happens after that is generally you get a URL with Wix site in its URL. So we choose that and we publish and continue. And so congratulations, your website is live. As you can see, your website will go live and you can access it from anywhere over the globe with the help of any web browser on any computer. Now, to have a look at what your site looks like, you just click on the visit view site and you're taken to your website. Your website is complete with all the bells and whistles that you choose from, and all these hyperlinks are completed and everything is complete. Your website is up and running and your website is visible to everyone on the World Wide Web. Thank you for watching this video. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to BioRef Scoop. And to learn more, click on the blog link in the description below. Thanks for watching.